How to Use Chopsticks by Darwin Espinosa. Created roughly 4,000 to 5,000 years ago in China, the earliest versions of something like chopsticks were used for cooking. They were perfect for reaching into pots full of hot water or oil and were most likely made from twigs. As a result, people began cutting their food into tiny pieces so it would cook faster. Simple steps on how to use chopsticks. Step 1. Hold hand out as if going for a handshake. Step 2. Place first chopstick under thumb, resting on palm. Step 3. Hold second stick between thumb and forefinger. Step 4. Tuck ring finger under lower stick. Step 5. Place middle finger under top chopstick. And finally, step 6. Move top stick up and down to grip food. Chopsticks can be used together to shovel rice from your plate, slurping soup and noodles. You can also drink directly from your soup bowl without using a spoon. Use your chopsticks to tear apart large chunks of food. Try these delicious meals with chopstick. Thank you.